This 2018 Forest River Salem 27 RKSS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 33 feet 3 inches in length and features sleep 6, microwave, stovetop burner, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, auxiliary battery, slide-out, smoke detector, oven, LP detector, refrigerator, and 39 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Forest River Salem 27 RKSS is 6,393 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.